Last year, Motorola made one of my favorite phones of the year, the Motorola Razr 2023. The flip style foldable got almost everything right and was extremely fun to use. It was the phone that taught me the value proposition of foldable phones. As it turns out, foldables are better if you can do mostly everything on the outside screen and open it as little as possible. If that sounds a little ridiculous, trust me, that's not lost on me. This year, Motorola has launched the Razr Plus 2024 and Razr 2024, and both are significant improvements over their predecessors. Put simply, these phones feel like where Motorola should have started in the first place. That's not a bad thing, it just means Motorola is leading the pack from a position of strength. I have been using the Motorola Razr Plus for the past 10 days. Here's how Moto made it better. Motorola has done it. If you are sick of the same old smartphone, the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 is your cure. The Razr Plus is the flip phone that should be the envy of boring slab phone owners everywhere. It's bright and colorful in every way, inside and out, screens and shell. The Razr is completely different in the best ways. I didn't think last year's Motorola Razr Plus needed much improvement, but Motorola has improved it anyway. The best flip phone cover display, larger and more versatile than the file folder window on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, is even bigger and brighter this year than before. It fills the phone and gives you a miniature window into all of your apps. Apps become more useful than ever when you use them on this palm-sized marvel. The Razr Plus 2024 also gets a welcome durability upgrade, and it's now water resistant enough to take a dunk. Motorola's vegan leather with a new sweet feel replaces the glass on the back of the Razr Plus. The result is a colorful finish that feels great to hold, giving the Razr a unique look all its own. It also won't slip off your desk. Has Motorola avoided the latest smartphone AI fads, or has it crammed AI onto the new Razr 2024 phones? Unfortunately, it's the latter. Motorola has run with the crowd and pushed half-baked AI onto its new Razr Plus with predictably bad results that may only get worse. The Razr Plus 2024 has Moto AI tools that highlight the worst stereotyping tendencies of generative AI. The AI tools on the Razr Plus 2024 show how AI is not ready for retail. Tools like this should not be part of a consumer device, especially an expensive smartphone. It's embarrassing, and the Moto AI image generator needs to go. Kind of a bummer, right? I was excited for the new Motorola Razr Plus 2024 with its new colors and bigger cover display, but the offensive AI quelled my excitement. Even worse, Motorola promises that even more intrusive AI features are coming. Right now the Vigo Try is confined to the wallpapers, but soon Moto AI will be listening to all of your phone calls and conversations. Frankly, you can ignore these new AI features on the Razr Plus 2024. This phone is still very good without the AI gimmicks. The improved hinge on the Razr Plus 2024 snaps open and shut with more aplomb. You can take a group photo and watch people smile when they see themselves on the cover screen. Nasty AI can't make this phone less cool, right? It makes in hot pink. Can AI ruin hot pink? No, nothing can ruin hot pink. For now, I take a wait and see approach to buying the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. If the price drops or if Motorola cleans up its AI act a little bit, this will be an easier phone to recommend. However, if you'd rather not endorse Motorola's vision of a mobile AI future, I would avoid it and look for a future that's little less cool. Photographers say the best camera is the one you have with you. I carry 2 or 3 phones at a time, so I would say that the best camera is the one I like using the most. Whether or not the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 takes the best photos, it is the most fun camera to use in almost every situation. Video shooting is especially clever with Motorola Razr Plus. The camera automatically recognizes camcorder mode when you bend the screen halfway and aim the camera at the action. The Razr Plus will start recording recording video automatically. You can stop with a tap anywhere on the bottom half of the screen. Shooting selfies is ridiculously fun. There is no need to open the phone. I just give my wrist a twist or tap the camera app and the cover display shows what the camera sees instead of using the selfie camera. The higher quality main cameras can take selfies and portraits. Holding the folded Razr Plus is easier than trying to hold a larger smartphone for selfie shots, and people loved seeing themselves on the cover display as I lined up group photos. Here are some camera samples of Motorola Razr Plus 2024. Motorola ups the ante on the cool Razr Plus with a bigger cover display, a more durable build, and AI. Who invited that guy to the Razr party? Even some weird AI features can't spoil all that Razr cool too. These earphones look better than ever and performs like a champ. I still wish it had better cameras and the AI stuff just needs to go, but otherwise the Razr Plus 24 is a superb modern flip phone.